Hi, want to customize notifications for messages on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra? Then open this Messages app. In my case, it would be Google Messages. After that, select a chat with a person you want to set your specific notification sound. And here, tap on the three dots and select Details. Now, you just need to go in the details once more and you will see this Notifications tab. Here you can see three options. First, priority, so this conversation will be shown at the top of the notification list. You can set alert or silence this chat. Also here you can enable bubbles for these text notifications. You can select all or only select it. And now we just need to go in this sound and here choose specific sound for this contact. We have many options. This one, Spaceline, is the default one. Here you can find it by the sections as Galaxy. Let's swipe down, Calm. Here you can see the fun one and the retro. So let's choose something from the fun, for example, like that. And now you can also adjust its sounds just by dragging the slider left or right. And after that, save the changes by going back. And now this contact will have its personal sound notification. And also you can enable vibration and app icon badges. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.